So, are you juggling with promoting your clinic or want to but do not exactly know where to start from? Or you are among those who thinks that let's not be involved in this online web thing and let it be the way it is? Then I must say you are at the right place with the right topic. Hello, Namaste, Kem Cho, Sat Sri Akal, guys. This is Dr. Anshika Agarwal, and you are watching the channel Anshi Vibes, where you are provided with dental lectures, dental marketing videos, facial aesthetics, and motivation. So, before diving into the topic, why online presence is so important even in dentistry, let's play a game. So, what do you think? Which shampoo is more expensive, A or B? Which coffee is the strongest, A or B? How long you took to make these assumptions? Have you noticed that they had the same logo, the same content, and the same copy? You only get one shot at making that first impression with your brand, right? And that first impression is usually a visual one. So now is the era of visibility, guys. So we as dentists still listen to all the things around us but do not believe or practice it. So let us today dive into the topic and into the basics of importance of online presence in our dental practice. Due to pandemic, as you all know, everybody is on social media, right? Number of social network users in India stood at around 216 million in 2016 and is forecast to more than 336 million by 2020 end. But why is it so important? Because online presence reinforces your brand, yourself, increase your brand awareness, your reach, and tell the patients what you have to offer. Nowadays, social media is not a media. In fact, it is the key to listen, engage, and build relationship with your patients or the potential clients. In today's time, it is vital to be connected to your patients through any of the digital platforms. It will be of ultimate value if you share a personal video or broadcast it to your patients, because that will give an emotional touch to your patient and they will feel valued, which would be needed during these times. And since they will least expect it from their dentist, they will feel like you are there to care even during these odd times. In that short video, you can ask about their well-being. You can send them a video about how can they maintain their oral hygiene, or any particular video can be given if they are your regular patient. You can just tell them or show that you are there and you care in whatever way you can. For presenting yourself digitally, you can create your page or an Instagram business account or have your website built, or you can create your LinkedIn account for professional connections. But start with creating any one of them. Do not mess with creating everything simultaneously. But yes, social media availability has the ability to add that personal touch in a manner that even websites cannot replicate. Your regular patients and potential patients will see the updates posted from your name or your clinic, and those who see the account will keep the practice name in mind when thinking about seeing a dentist in the nearby area. Social media also allows dentists to interact with the potential patients too. Users will often turn to a dentist for questions that arise in their minds, and the Facebook page allows dentists to interact with the followers and gain credibility there and then. And simply by answering the patient's questions, a dentist increases his or her reputation. Plus, these interactions may also be viewable by the public, और इसलिए आपकी एडवर्टाइजिंग वैल्यू इस इंटरैक्शन से काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. So, specific to dentistry, during the decision-making process, many patients conduct extensive and simultaneous research into the recommended dental treatment and cost of the care, including payment and financing options. So, maybe during that research, they find you all over the social media and they get to know that you are there within their reach. You never know when can that someone turn up to your clinic, right? You must be thinking that there is a risk in this case. But think like this, that there would be only a fixed risk that you can decide. Plus, think like this for a moment, that when you print brochures or put billboards or hoardings, any of the traditional media things, are you not taking the same amount of risk As in that case, too, you just don't know how many patients could pass by, see your particular billboard, or stop to take your number from any of your hoardings and then turn up to your clinic. So, just like a healthy set of teeth, a healthy online presence doesn't exist through a one time appointment, but it requires regular maintenance, just like a teeth. For example, when you walk into a restaurant and see an empty tip jar, would you like to tip? You may think that it's socially unacceptable or no one is tipping. So, why should I? Isn't it? But the truth is, you will never see a tip jar that is empty. There are always a few rupees in the jar that the waiter adds, so it gives the impression that the other people are also tipping. That is what we call a social proof. So, this is a human tendency that we determine what is correct by finding out what other people think is correct. Because now social proof is just equal to visibility for the audience, and there are so many brands out there that are using social proofs to influence their audience positively. Example, Amazon.in. And this is pretty much important to get recognized and to improve your conversion rate. So at the end of the day, social proof is effective because it empowers real clients or the potential clients to tell your actual story or strengths. In my next video, I'll be telling you about the meaning of the basic words used for digital marketing. Till then, you can download the ebook from the link given into the description box, which will tell you about social media marketing. I know many of you would not be knowing or able to understand the depth of digital marketing in a dental practice, but frankly speaking, you don't need to, because there are many agencies including ours which do it for you. तो आपको ideally अपने time और efforts आप उस चीज़ में लगाएं जो चीज़ आपकी weak है या आपकी clinical interest से जुड़ी हुई है. Digital marketing का काम आप बाकी की agencies पर छोड़ दें. So don't be confused, guys. I'll be telling you briefly about all the marketing mantras in my upcoming video and the basics of digital marketing, so that even if you hire someone or some agency for your dental clinic or your brand's digital marketing, you have a clear idea of what action needs to be taken and the why of it, and also what you exactly need to do to convert your clinic or your dental practice into a brand. So in the next video, I'll be telling you about the basic words which is used in digital marketing, and you must have heard that words, but आपको उतना डीप में समझ में नहीं आता होगा, तो इसलिए उन सब बेसिक्स के लिए आप बने रहिए मेरे साथ. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करें. एंड डू सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन.